this short tutorial I want to have a quick look at the scale body command. So in this example we have a chain link, and if I choose the scale body command under the Boolean operations, you can see that we have the option of uniform scaling or non-uniform. So non-uniform allows me to specify a scaling in the X, Y and Z direction. In this case I'm going to go for uniform. To start with, I will select the option, accept it, and then we can put in the scale factor. So if we want to make it half size, obviously 0.5, enter, and you'll see that that drops down to half the size. So as you can see, it's a very quick way of creating a scaled version of an existing model.